The human being counts with one of the most important tools when it comes to sensitive inspection applied to the maintenance of industrial assets. It's the use of the human senses to assess the condition of machinery and equipment. Inspections carried out via routes and commonly guided by checklists with questions and tasks aim to search for signs of damage to equipment, mainly in situations that are more perceptible to the human senses. Learn more about some of the advantages of this methodology. Ease of identifying problems. When carrying out the route, the inspector can, without the need for sophisticated equipment, identify leaks, accumulations of dirt or material, damage to cabling, corrosion points, abnormal noises, loose screws or bases, and assess the state of conservation of the assets as a whole. It has low investment costs through the work of an inspector with technical knowledge in maintenance to complete the inspection plans developed by the area manager according to the particularities and criticality of the assets. Increase of assets reliability. The constant verification of the assets favors the increase of the equipment's useful life, since it contributes to the identification of anomalies before they evolve and become more serious. In this manner, it is possible to act in the treatment of the potential failure, taking advantage, for example, of programmed service stoppages for the necessary preventive and corrective actions. For this reason, sensitive inspection is an important technique for those seeking better results in the maintenance sector. It is compatible with all types of companies that seek greater reliability in their equipment. Learn more about Dynasense, Dynamox's sensitive inspection platform.